Yo, what's good? It's your boy Krazyjay, and in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to go from a listener of a beat to actually licensing a beat for your project, whether it's your album or a movie that you're doing independently. YouTube has beats galore, and I'm going to show you how to get those beats, and it's very simple. So what we're going to do, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to find a beat that we want to buy. So we're going to click here and we're going to pretend like we've listened to this track. I can tell you right now, this track is hot. It's called Hooligan. It's by one of my producer partners named Brave Audio. So once you get on the video, all you want to do after you've figured out that you want to buy the track is you want to go to the description of the video and you want to click on show more, and there should be instructions in the description along with links to different things. So right here it says purchase download beat here, and then it also says check out the entire beat catalog here. So what we're going to do, because we know that we want this hooligan beat, we're going to press this link and it's going to take us directly to the beat. And then from here, all we have to do is just click right here on whichever license we want. So we'll just click on that license. We'll proceed to checkout. And then once you're at the checkout, you'll have an option to pay with either PayPal or you can use Stripe. And from there, that's pretty much it. And this works with nearly every YouTube video that has a producer attached to it. Like everybody's doing the same thing. Everybody's selling the beats on YouTube, and they're using the links in the description to point everybody to the store so that artists and creators can license directly from YouTube. So I hope that this video helps you out. If you have any questions about licensing beats, definitely feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. This your boy Krazyjay. Holla at you later. Peace.